My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Vauxhall Astra. This vehicle has done just under 60,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the screen we can access audio, gallery, smartphone integration, projection and settings. We also have sport mode and lane assist. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.